Okay, so let's go ahead and set up the bone shapes for these larger bones. So click on this bone, do Shift S, do cursor to selected, do Shift A, and add a circle. Click on this bone, go ahead and zoom out, press the Shift key down, click on this circle, do Shift Control C, do copy transform, click on the circle, do Control A, visual transform, go to the constraints, turn it off to make sure that it took it, it did, X this out. Over here, we're going to go ahead and click over here on this bone, do Control C to copy the name. Click over here, type in W dot, do Control V and enter. I'm just going to do Control C over here and go ahead and click on this bone, go to the bone tab and just do Control V. Okay, so now just zoom out and press the S key to scale this down. Of course, make sure that X-ray is on. Now here what we're going to do is press the tab key to go into edit mode and press the S key to scale this down. Now notice that how it's aligned to its local, so you want to make sure that this is on local so we can use a 3D manipulator. And here we're just going to move it on the tip of this finger along its y-axis. You just press the 7 key, and what you want to do is look at the black circle, so go ahead and just move this to where the black circle is going. Now here all you have to do is look at where this y-axis is, where this vertex is. Just follow your mouse and go ahead and click on this vertex over here. Press the E key to extrude one out. Go ahead and put it over here. Do Shift S and you're going to do selection to cursor. Now go ahead and press the E key to select everything. So what we want to do is really rotate this whole thing around its x-axis on this point over here. So this means that we need to change to the 3D cursor over here, press the 1 key, press the R key, press the X key 2 times so we can basically rotate it so it goes to the tip of this finger. Remember, you have to look at the black outline, not this orange one. Okay, so that's a setup over here. Now here what I'm going to do, basically do A to deselect, press the C key and select everything over here. Now here go ahead and switch this back to median point, and here I'm just going to make it go a little further out over here, this black outline. Okay, so now when you press the tab key, click over here, you'll get a sense of what we're basically doing, right? So here the user can click on this and press the S key to scale to curl, or press the R key 2 times. So this is how this idea is going to work. So this is actually easy now, right? All we have to do is click on this object, do Shift D to duplicate, put it over here, duplicate and duplicate, just like before. So let's go ahead and click over here, do Control C, click on this bone, click inside, do W dot, do Control V and enter. Now go ahead and do the same thing, click on this, do Control C, click over here, type in W dot, do Control V and enter. Click on this one, do Control C, click on this, do W dot, do Control V and enter. Okay, now here what we're going to do is basically click on these, do Control C, click on this bone, do Control V over here. Now go ahead and click on this bone, actually click over here, do Control C, click over here, go to the bone tab, do Control V over here. Now go ahead and click over here, do Control C, click on this bone, do Control V. Okay, so now what we need to do is actually align these to these bones. So here now we've already applied the bone shape, right? So all you have to do is really just click on this bone shape, press the Shift key down, click on this one, do Shift Control C and do copy transforms, right? It's going to do this to all of them, so do the same thing on this one. Click over here, press the Shift key down, click on this one, do Shift Control C, do copy transforms. Go ahead and go to this one, press the Shift key down, click on this, do Shift Control C and do copy transforms, right? So it's just going to make them bigger, and that's fine. So go ahead and click on these, do Control A, do visual transform, and visual transform. Now go to the constraints, shut this off to make sure that it took it, exit out. Click on this, shut this off to make sure that it took it, exit out. and shut this off to make sure that it took it. Exit out. Go ahead and click over here. Make sure that this is set to median point and just press the S key to scale this down. Click on this, press the S key to scale this down. Click on this, press the S key to scale this down, and go ahead and now zoom in over here. Now you can click on this and press the S key. Now I'm not going to put it directly on it. I'm going to keep it away from it, so it just makes it easier for me personally to select these over here. Okay, so first, and over here I'm just going to actually press the S key to scale this down just a little more. Now here you can decide what you want to do over here. So here we're of course going to click over here on this. Actually we can just click over here and do Shift S and do cursor to selected. And over here this is on median point. So what we want to do is actually switch this to the 3D cursor over here. The reason we have to do this, we're going to press the tab key to go to edit mode and press the S key to scale, right? So this will allow us to bring it a little closer to these fingers. Press the tab key. Now go ahead and click on this object, do Shift S, do cursor to select it, press the tab key, press the S key to scale it in a bit so it just brings it closer. Over here we can do the same thing. Shift S, do cursor to selected, press the S key and just scale it in. Okay, so all of these should be aligned. Now we can go ahead and click on these objects, press the M key and throw them on this layer over here. Okay, so this whole thing should now be set up. Now here just go under File, and here we're just going to do Save As, and let's save this as Rigging Lesson 04 X.blend. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.